Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to the new normal class of Mathematics 7. I am your teacher, Romel Palado. Today we will be discussing about the polygons. Today will be the 6th week of the 3rd quarter. May I present to you first our objectives for today's lesson. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to first, define and illustrate polygons. Second, determine polygons and non-polygons. Third, identify a convex and a non-convex polygons. And lastly, you are going to solve for the measure of sides of a polygon. Let us first define a polygon. A polygon comes from two Greek words, poly, which means many, and gon, which means angles. It is a closed plane figure that is determined by its non-collinear. A polygon can be described by its angle, number of its sides, and whether any of its sides are congruent. We can classify and name polygons according to the number of their sides. We have different types of polygon. We have 3 sides, that is called triangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, 8 sides octagon, 9 sides nonagon, 10 sides decagon, 11 sides endecagon, and so on. Polygons can be classified into two, regular polygons and irregular polygons. But now, let us first differentiate what is regular polygons from irregular polygons. Regular polygons, all sides are equal in length and all internal angles are equal. Regular polygons are both equilateral and equiangular. When we say equiangular, they are equal in angles, and equilateral, they are equal in length or sides. While irregular polygons, any polygon that is not regular, which means the sides or angles are not equal. Just like for the example given in the illustration, a triangle which is color blue, for the first row that is regular polygons and the second row that is irregular polygons. As you can see in the illustration, you can now differentiate what is regular polygons from irregular polygons. A polygon also can be classified into concave polygons, convex polygons, as well as complex polygons. When we say concave polygons, have at least one internal angle greater than 180 degrees as shown in a figure. Convex polygons have no internal angles greater than 180 degrees, so that's why all regular polygons are convex. While complex polygons have a line that crosses another line as shown in the figure. Now, what are those figures that are not polygons? Just like for example, the circle. Circle is not a polygon because it has no sides. Any shape that includes a curve, that is not also a polygon. Any shape that is not closed, that is not a polygon, as well as a three-dimensional objects. Now, you can classify which are polygons and which are not polygons. You can also classify regular polygons from irregular polygons, as well as concave polygons from convex polygons and complex polygons. Let's try to answer this one. Write the letter of the correct answer on a separate sheet of paper. Which is considered a four-sided polygon? A. Octagon, B. Pentagon, C. Rhombus, D. Triangle. Okay, octagon is not a four-sided, it is eight-sided. Pentagon is a five-sided polygon. Rhombus is a four-sided. It belongs to quadrilateral. While triangle, it has three sides, so the answer is letter C. How many vertices are there in a dodecagon? When we see the decagon, there are 12 sides, so there are also 12 vertices. The answer is letter C. Which are the consecutive vertices of pentagon LOVE? A. LVEO, B. EOLV, C. OVLE, D. EVOL. So the answer is letter D. If you are going to rewrite that love, it becomes evol. Number 4. Which of the polygon has 9 vertices? When we say 9 vertices, 9 sides, that is nonagon. Because decagon have 10 sides, heptagon have 7 sides, hexagon have 6 sides. Last number, in a triangle MAN, all sides are equal. If MA is equal to 16 cm, what is the measure of MN? A. 8, B. 16, C. 32, D. 64. The answer is letter B. Since the given triangle, all sides are equal, so their sides are the same. Now we have the polygon interior angles theorem. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon with n sides is n minus 2 is equal to 180 degrees. For example, compute for the sum of interior angles of a convex decagon. Solution: a convex decagon has 10 sides. As the figure is shown in the right side below. Use the polygon interior angles theorem and substitute 10 for n because there are 10 sides in a figure decagon. So 10 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now we can substitute 10 for n. Then after that we are going to simplify. 10 minus 2, that is 8, multiplied by 180 degrees, that is equal to 1440 degrees. So therefore, the sum of interior angles of a convex decagon is 1440 degrees. If we are going to look for its angle, we have 144. Now, number 2 example. Find the measure of an interior angle of a regular dodecagon. When we say dodecagon, there are 12 sides as shown in the figure below. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a dodecagon rather, is the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. That is equal to 12 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Substitute the value of sides, which is 12 to n. Now 12 minus 2, that is 10, times 180 degrees, that is 1800 degrees. Since the dodecagon is regular, each angle has the same measure. Hence, we just divide the sum, which is 1800, by 12 to get the measure of one interior angle. So 1800 divided by 12, that is equal to 150. The measure of an interior angle, therefore, of a regular dodecagon is 150 degrees. Now, we can have the polygon exterior angles theorem. The sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a convex polygon, one angle at each vertex, is 360 degrees. So, whatever the measures of the angles, the exterior angles is always 360 degrees. Illustrate examples given the figure below. Find the value of x. So the given external or exterior angles are 80, 120, and x. So now we are going to look for the value of x. So we are going to apply the polygon exterior angles theorem, which is we are going to solve or add the values given. So we have x plus 80 plus 120 is equal to 360 degrees. Now we are going to simplify 80 plus 120, that is 200. Now we are going to combine like terms. So we are going to apply the subtraction property of equality, which means x plus 200 minus 200 is equal to 360 minus 200. Then we are going to simplify 200 minus 200, that is 0. 360 minus 200, that is 160. Therefore, the value of x is 160 degrees. Another example, given the figure below, find the value of x. So we have the angles 95 degrees, 52 degrees, 83 degrees, x, and 60 degrees. Now we can have x plus 60 plus 95 plus 83 plus 52 is equal to 360, which is the polygon exterior angles. After that, we are going to combine like terms. 60 plus 95 plus 83 plus 52, that is 290. After that, we are going to apply the subtraction property of equality, which is x plus 290 minus 290 is equal to 360 minus 290. Then we are going to simplify 290 minus 290, that is 0. 360 minus 290, that is 70. So therefore, the value of x is 70 degrees. Number 3 example. A convex heptagon has exterior angles with measures 30 degrees, 33 degrees, 45 degrees, 54 degrees, 67 degrees, and 79 degrees. What is the measure of an exterior angle at the 7th vertex? Here's the solution. Let x be the 7th exterior angle of a heptagon, since heptagons have 7 vertices. So x plus 30 plus 33 plus 45 plus 54 plus 67 plus 79 is equal to 360, which is the exterior angles theorem. After that, we are going to combine like terms. 30 plus 33 plus 45 plus 54 plus 67 plus 79 with a total of 308. After that, we are going to apply the subtraction property of equality. We have x plus 308 minus 308 is equal to 360 minus 308. After that, we are going to simplify 308 minus 308, that is 0, and 360 minus 308, we have 52. So therefore, the 7th exterior angle of heptagon is 52 degrees. Now, read each item carefully and write the letter of your answer on a sheet of a paper. Number 1 question. If the first 3 angles of a quadrilateral measures 54 degrees, 86 degrees, and 70 degrees, respectively, what is the measure of the 4th angle? A. 150 degrees, B. 160 degrees, C. 170 degrees, and D. 180 degrees. So we are going to look for the angles. So the answer is letter A. Number 2, what is the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a coin which is in the shape of an octagon? Since octagon has 8 sides, so we have letter C, 1080 degrees. In figure 1, the measure of angle R is equal to 140 degrees and measure of angle S is 155 degrees. Find the measure of angle T. A. 25 degrees, B. 40 degrees, C. 65 degrees, D. 90 degrees. So, in number 3, you are going to apply the exterior angle theorem, which is measure of angle 1, angle plus angle 2, plus angle 3 is equal to 360 degrees. So the answer is letter C, 65 degrees. Next number. What is the measure of each interior angle of a regular dodecagon? Now, we are going to look for interior angle, each interior angle. Since dodecagon have 12 sides, so we are going to divide each side by 12. So the answer is letter D. Number 5. If the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 108 degrees, which of the following is the measure of its exterior angles? So since the interior angle is 108 degrees, so we are looking for its supplementary. Now the answer is 72 degrees. So with a total of 180 degrees. Let's proceed with number 6 in figure 2, compute for C. So C is interior angles. So we are going to apply the interior angles theorem. So 74 plus 69 plus 130 plus C is equal to 360 degrees. So the answer is 87, letter A. Next, number 7. How many sides does the polygon have if the sum of each interior angles is 1980 degrees? The answer is letter C, 13 sides. If 3 of the angles of a pentagon measures 108 degrees, 132 degrees, and 90 degrees respectively, which of the following is the measure of the remaining angles if they are equal? So we have 105 degrees. Next, we have number 9. If each interior angle of a regular polygon measures 120 degrees, what is the total number of sides in the polygon? We have letter C, 6 sides, which is the hexagon. Which of the following could not represent the measure of an exterior angle of a regular polygon? A, 15 degrees, B, 27 degrees, C, 45 degrees, D, 72 degrees. The answer is letter B, 27 degrees. Thank you everyone for listening. Just simply log on to our e-learning site. Kindly like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Global Academy Institute of Technology Foundation Incorporated. If you want to attend the asynchronous class, just go to the Facebook page, GetF Grade 7. If you have any queries and clarifications or suggestions regarding our topic for today, just simply contact me to my cell phone number 0930-680-829. Again, just simply contact me to my cell phone number 0930-680-829. God bless everyone. Stay safe. This is your teacher, Romel Palado.